Hey, what's up fandom fam, how's everyone doing? I'm back with another modification video, and this time we are putting up these LED atmosphere lights which were sent to me by Banggood on the bike. So that's gonna make the bike look really nice. It comes in quite a lot of combinations, so I'll walk you through the whole setup. Also, I'm not doing it on the Duke, I'm doing it on the RC, which belongs to Ashutosh. And because I feel that it's gonna look much better on the RC compared to Duke, where I hardly have any place to put those lights. And this kit is really good, so I will show you what comes in the box, and then I will run you through the setup as well as show you how it looks at night. So let's get this vlog started. So this is how you get the box. As you can see, they've shown the bikes. This is obviously a cruiser, but we are doing it on the RC. 12 pieces. Now guys, this is an upgraded version. You might have seen some other videos where they've shown basically the 6-piece version. This is more than that. Now this product is available for quite a good discount on Banggood, so I'll leave the link down in the description. Plus there's an additional code, so you can get 12% more if you use that code on Banggood on the website or the app. So quickly, let me just open the box or just show you what's on the back side. As you can see, there are 4 these really long ones. Then you get 4 medium size and 4 short ones. You can use any combo that you want. You get 2 remotes. Previously used to get only this one. They say it has voice control as well, but I don't think we'll be using that. And it attaches to your bike's keychain or your car's keychain. You get the standard LED remote where you can do a lot of combinations as per their taste. Now this is the ECU remote with the antenna and everything, which goes on near your battery pack, and these are the connectors. Rest of the details, let me just quickly open it. As you can see, very neatly packed. This is the remote, the keychain. This is the standard remote. They've given some extra wires. There's fuse as well as these connectors for the battery. And they've given the diagram how to do it. Comes in 18 color combination. Basically it's full RGB. Now these are your lights. As you can see, obviously waterproof, and it's got this double-sided tape behind it. That's how we're gonna attach it to the bike. So now quickly I'm gonna basically decide where we're gonna put which ones. So I think we're gonna put the bigger one here behind this part of the fairing. The medium length one will go here. So two on this side. One we will try to put it here somehow under the fairing, the front fairing, and maybe one at the rear. So 2 on either side. So that's 4, 5, 6. So technically we're not using all of them, but that's the options we have. And let's start installing it. Okay guys, so we've finished the installation. We managed to basically still save 4 of them because it was just gonna be too bright otherwise. And both the remotes are working. As you can see, this one attaches to the keychain directly, and D is for on and there you go. So one strip there, one on the inside, two below, looking really good, and two at the side here. So you can change modes as per as you wish. Look better at night. So hey guys, welcome back. I hope you liked that install part and the little cinematics. Now it got quite hot during the day when we were shooting, so this is actually in the next day that I am finishing the vlog, because by the time we could finish everything, there was not enough light for me to do the end credits. But anyways, if you're interested in these lights, I would leave the link down below for banggood.com. There are different variations available as your taste. If you have any questions or suggestions, please make sure you comment them below, and I will try to reply to as many as possible. Also guys, if you're interested in these kind of videos and motorcycle reviews and products, and if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you click on the bell icon as well, so that you are notified of all the videos that I post. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for your support. We are so close to 20,000 subscribers. I will see you in the next vlog. Phantom Fam, this is Phantom Rides signing out. आई शपथ पोट बघ ना पोट बघ वाव डूड रेड थिंग चालू आहे थिंग चालू आहे जरा टी-शर्ट आहे हे बघ हे बघ अरे तुझ्यासारखं नाही आहे तसंच आहे काय माझ्यासारखं काय त्याला सिंगल टचचं आहे सिंगल टचचं बाय बाय किती वेळ आला आला ना अरे काय पिऊन पण नाही आला आणि तुलाच आम्हालाच आहे सर Class.